Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll in order to find connection and sharing. As you can see, it will be in the first part of the settings. So let's tap on it, and here scroll down to the very bottom to the other section. On the third position we've got the reset option, so let's tap, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, all connection settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. Here we've got also the information that it may take a while, so just be patient and you will not be able to undo this action. So just tap on OK, and we have to simply wait to see the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.